Bollywood actress Ananya Pandey was reportedly scolded by Narcotics Control Bureau Mumbai Zonal Director Samir Wankade for her arriving late at the probe agency's office on Friday. Pandey was summoned by NCB for questioning in the ongoing cruise drugs case on Friday at 11 am. But the actress could only reach the probe agency's office after 2 pm along with her father, actor Chunky Pandey. According to the sources in NCB, Wankade told Ananya that probe agency's office was not a production house. You were asked to come at 11 am and you are arriving now. Officers are not sitting here waiting for just you. This is not your production house. This is the office of a central agency. Come at the time you are called at, sources quoted Wankade as saying. Pandey left the NCB office on Friday evening after being questioned in the ongoing cruise drugs case. She was summoned by the probe agency on Thursday as well. During the questioning on Thursday, the actress denied the allegations of supplying or consuming drugs. As per the NCB sources, Ananya denied the allegation of supplying drugs to Aryan Khan, who is accused in the case, and said that she has never consumed drugs. The chats recovered from Aryan Khan's mobile phone reveal that in the year 2018-2019, she helped supply drugs to Aryan thrice by providing him the numbers of drug dealers, NCB sources told ANI. Ananya denied the supply-related talks in the chat conversation and told the NCB officials that she has never consumed or supplied drugs, sources added. Ananya Pandey was summoned by the NCB in connection with the Mumbai cruise raid case as well as on suspicion of drug consumption. The summons was issued based on the chats recovered from Aryan Khan's mobile phone. According to reports, Ananya Pandey has again been summoned by the NCB for questioning on October 25th, that is on Monday. News Desk, Kaumudi Global.